So you're thinking about purchasing new construction in the South or Southwest Austin metro area, but not really satisfied with the options that are available to you? Well, I think I have the solution. I'm here in Carpenter Hill, the community in Buda, built by Carpenter Homes, and we're going to be taking a tour of the Carpenter model home in a moment. Hi, my name is James Deloney, your Austin metro area real estate expert. Welcome to my channel, Real Texas Homes. If you would take a moment and like and subscribe to the channel. Here on the channel, we'll keep you up to date with everything related to the Austin metro area real estate market with home tours, community tours, market updates, and educational videos. If you would take advantage of the opportunity to connect with me through my website, pinned in the comment section, and there's also some other homes that are available in this community that are linked in the comment section as well. Well, Buda, Texas, it's one of the fastest growing communities in Central Texas, a really, really great small town. If you want to get away from the hustle and bustle of Austin, get a little more home for your money, really great schools. And we're just a short distance from Austin. As I mentioned, we're 17 miles south of downtown Austin. Easy access into Austin via 1626 and Loop 1. There is a toll road that connects 1626 to Loop 1, toll road 45. It took me about 12 minutes to get here. I live in Southwest Austin. There is no amenity center or pool in this community, so the HOA fees are really low, $420 a year. But there is a YMCA athletic facility and the Buda Sports Complex are all right here, just at the edge of the community within biking distance. So many options available to you in Buda. Again, you get a lot more for your money here. A really vibrant downtown scene here in Buda. Well, we're gonna take a tour of this model home now.
The Carpenter Hill community is located in Buda, Texas, a suburb of Austin. We're about 17 miles south of downtown Austin. This is the 2373 from Carpenter Homes. Carpenter uses the square footage as their home names. It's beautiful elevation in this home. This community feeds to Carpenter Hill Elementary, Dahlstrom Middle School, and Johnson High School. As we walk into this home, you'll notice really elegant statement piece of an entry with 12-foot soaring ceilings. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3 full bath home with a dedicated study off to the left here. Got 10-foot ceilings in the study, 8-foot doors in this home. Most of the floor plans in this community do feature a dedicated study in addition to the standard bedrooms and baths. Beautiful hardwood-like tile, extremely durable. Move into the kitchen and great room. You're going to see this is a really beautiful floor plan that flows really well together. Large island connecting the kitchen to the dining area and great room. Beautiful picture frame cabinets, gas cooktop, stainless steel appliances are standard. Love these cabinets. Lots of pantry space. That is the pantry we're looking at. And we flow through to the dining area. You'll see there's lots of counter space in this home. The sliding doors in the back, those are an upgrade, but they are an amazing upgrade. Those slide all the way to the left and open completely up, connecting the great room to the outdoor living area. The shiplap walls are an upgrade. In full disclosure, this home, as most model homes, has pretty much every upgrade that the builder can put in the home. I'm guessing there's probably about $50,000 or $60,000 of upgrades in this home. This is the extended patio. The covered patio is a standard feature. 7-foot covered patio is a standard feature with Perry Homes. This one is extended. Again, these shiplap walls really are a statement piece. We move into the primary suite. Large bay of windows, lots of natural light. Perry Homes have smart home features, standard smart thermostat, video doorbell, Wi-Fi garage door opener, keyless door lock, Wi-Fi lighting switches that can be controlled by either Alexa or Google Home. Sliding farmhouse doors here, really beautiful touch. Those are an upgrade. We move into the primary bath. You've got a soaking tub, closet to the left and to the right. You see the standing shower here. Quite a bit of closet space in this primary suite. Perry Homes do come with a 2-year workmanship warranty and a 10-year structural warranty. The lots in 6 creeks are primarily 55-foot home sites. We'll move back through the great room, back into the kitchen, and to the left we're going to have 2 of the bedrooms that share this common bath. Very large size bedrooms. I mentioned that there aren't many amenities in the Carpenter Hill community. The HOA is $420 a year, really reasonable HOA that just takes care of common area maintenance. But the community is literally right next door to an enormous YMCA that has pretty much everything you could ever want in a gym or athletic club, including a swimming pool and basketball court, tennis courts, pickleball courts. And then there's the Buda Sports Complex that is right next to the YMCA, which has countless baseball fields, soccer fields, and an array of sporting opportunities. So you've got easy access. You can either walk or bike to both of those facilities directly from the neighborhood, as well as bike to all 3 of the schools. Carpenter Hill Elementary, Dahlstrom Middle School, and Johnson High School are all within biking distance of this neighborhood. Johnson High School, built in 2019, is located just outside the neighborhood, as is the Buda Sports Complex and the state-of-the-art YMCA of Hayes County. It's a really fantastic facility with pretty much everything you could ever want in an athletic club and gym, right there just outside within walking distance of the community. Carpenter Hill is just a short drive from downtown Buda, which is a really cool scene. It feels a lot like Austin did back in the day, and one of my favorite spots is Meridian, where they've got live music 4 nights a week, some really great bands, just a really cool venue. It's an old building that they've completely restored with a fantastic stage. There's just so much to do in downtown Buda. You've got some great restaurants, great shops, and live music most nights out of the week. It does feel like old Austin and downtown Buda.
I really hope you enjoyed this tour of Perry's model home here in the Carpenter Hill community in Buda, Texas. Would appreciate it. Take a moment and comment. Let me know what you liked about the home. Also, there's a link below to my website with more homes that are available in this community. And also, I mentioned I would share with you incentives. There's mortgage rates as low as 6% right now for qualified buyers. So reach out to me through my website and I can share more details with you about those current incentives. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, make it a great one.